Alright, hi guys. You know how other people have custom keyboards? Well, I'm going to be showing you how to do that today. So first, go on your phone. Well, if you have a phone, do this on it, or an iPad or something. I don't know. Go to your app store, and then you're going to search up Face Emoji. And then you're going to want to get it. It's free. And then once you have it, you're going to open it. And then it's going to give you a bunch of stuff. Just press continue. And if it advertises you for the premium, just click the X on the top left corner. And it's also going to ask you like to access like your keyboard with it. So then it's going to take you to like your settings, and then you're going to want to click on keyboard. And then you're going to want to make sure the switch is like green. That's basically what you're going to want to do. And then like the customization at the beginning when you first get it is a little different. But then once you do that, and if you don't like the one you made, click on create. I'm going to do this one. You could do any. The ones with the locks on them require premium. And then these ones, they have golden locks, require premium. And it's really okay. And then you'll have this stuff. This stuff you guys can do, but I'm not going to. And then, okay, this doesn't actually change your font. It's just there for your letters to look a little bit different. It doesn't actually change the font. And then your swipe, it's the thing where you go like this. It's like where you mix up a bunch of letters. It's that thing. And then effects. Basically this stuff, I recommend, oh, what the heck? They look different. Oh, wait. These are the effects when you type. Hold on, let me test out this. Okay. And then lens, I'm just going to choose ripple because, so I can see it. For boys, you're going to want to, for boys, you're going to, that like gaming, I like this one. It's, this sound, it's a keyboard sound. It's pretty nice. And then you're going to want to click save. And then you could type on the keyboard. And up here, you could do this, like make it cursive and stuff. And when you go to the emojis, I have these. I don't know if anybody else would. But, yeah, you'll have other different colors, maroon, green, pink, and stuff. And you could also send some crazy stuff to your friends, like the repo bot, the chicken jockey, and stuff. It's pretty cool. And you could also send faces, GIFs, stickers. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. Subscribe if this helped you. Yeah, goodbye.